Hello and welcome to Excel tutorial from IT Army, and this is tutorial number 23, and in this tutorial further we're going to talk about some more settings related to fonts. So let's get started. Okay, so where we left in the last video was we were working on this to-do list, and we talked about how to change the font face. We call it font face or font family, it's the same thing. Then we talked about how to change the font size. We have different font size available, and you see they are discrete, and if you want a particular size, suppose you have 24 or 26 and you need 25, you can just type in. You don't have to just only select from this list. Then after that we had two options over here, how to increase the font. So if you select any font, you can make it bigger, you can make it smaller. So these different options are also available here. Then next to that we have these buttons. We have bold to make your font bold, so I can select them whatever I want to make bold, and then I can press Control B is the shortcut, and the other shortcut is Control 2. You can use Control 2 also. So you have two shortcuts for making anything bold, Control B and Control 2. And if you want to make anything italicized, you're going to see like this. So Control I is the shortcut, and the other shortcut is Control 3. So you got two shortcuts over here. So I'm gonna keep it as it is. So I have heading as italicized. And then we have underline. If you want to make something underlined, so you can put it underlined. So let's show you temporarily. You can put single line, and you're going to see over here we have down arrow. If I click on that, I can say double underline. So you're going to show you two lines. So I don't want underline, and Control U is the shortcut for that. So I can press Control U for underline. Again, you press Control U, underline gets removed. And Control 4 is also the shortcut for that. So you have two shortcuts also for underlining. Control 4 again, and it's gone. Then we have also strike through. Control 5 is the shortcut for strike through. So these are the different options for font, and if you want more advanced options, you can right click, and we have option over here, format cells. And for when I click on that, you get to this dialog box. You can go to font tab and you can configure all those settings. Other way to get to this dialog box format cells is you just click on this over here in the bottom right corner of font. Control Shift F is the shortcut, and you get to this one, fonts. Control Shift F, you get to the same font dialog box, and Control 1 is also the shortcut for getting to this fonts dialog box, font formatting dialog box. So you have different ways. Okay, so let's see what's special over here that was not available over here. We had the fonts over here, font face, you want to have bold, italic, regular, and we had font sizes. If you want to perform an underline, we had definitely options over there. We had single underline and double underline. We have single accounting and double accounting. Two additional options are there. How it looks like, I don't know how it is different from single and double. Single accounting is basically much more far off from the font. So these options are there. What else we have is color. Definitely we had font color also over here. We can change the color from here. And then we have some other options. Strike through, I told you Control 5 is the shortcut for strike through. Your font will get strike through. So some people use it for highlighting, some people for denoting that this thing was there, it has been marked off or it has been deleted. Then we have option over here for superscript and subscript. It can be only one selected at a time. And where would you use it? For instance, if you are having, let's move on to some other sheet. Like if you're writing H2O, that is formula for water, and I want to select 2 over here, there's gonna be subscript, so I want to put it down. So I can right click and format cells, and I want to mark it, as you're gonna see over here. I want to say I want to put it in subscript and click on OK. It becomes H2O. Same way if I say H plus, and I want to put this plus in superscript, I can select it, right click, format cells, and put it in superscript, and you get it. So you can see you are seeing like this. So this is the basic use of superscript. This is the basic use of superscript and subscript. So let's go back. Okay, so now talking about the borders. Whatever content we are having over here, we can put the borders. So I can just select all this, and then I say I want to have borders. So when I select, we have different options over there. You want to have bottom border, top, or different types of borders are there. I want to have all the borders by default they are in black color. Black doesn't look good. I'm going to change that. Let's change this color to white, and now I need to apply the borders again. I say all border, and now you can say it's all white. Let's put the same thing over here also. I select this and I want to apply the border. So now it's pretty fine. I want to also apply the borders over here, white borders. I click on that and you get the white border. So this is how we can work with this, and all the settings we have covered over here related to font. In the next video we're going to talk about the settings related to alignment and numbers and so on. So hope you like this video. If you have any questions or comments, please post in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.